Watch the video and match the words or phrases, 1 to 15, with their definitions. A to O. 1 Cables and connections. 2 Calibration. 3 Data backup. 4 Disinfectant wipes. 5 Hygiene risk. 6 Image quality. 7 Manufacturer's guidelines. 8 Phantom test object. 9 Probe surface. 10 Professional servicing. 11 Software updates. 12 System logs. 13 Transducers. 14 Ultrasound machine. 15 Wear and damage. A medical device that uses high-frequency sound waves to create images of structures within the body. B. Accessories connected to the ultrasound machine, converting electrical energy into sound waves and vice versa, used for scanning. C. The part of the transducer that comes into direct contact with the patient's skin, through which sound waves are emitted and received. D. Pre-moistened towelettes treated with disinfecting solutions, used for cleaning surfaces to kill bacteria and viruses. E. Electrical cords and connectors that power the ultrasound machine and link its components for data transmission. F. Refers to the clarity, detail, and accuracy of the images produced by the ultrasound machine. G. The process of copying and archiving computer data, so it may be used to restore the original after a data loss event. H. Official releases by the manufacturer to improve functionality, add features, or fix bugs in the machine's software. I. The process of adjusting the ultrasound machine's settings to ensure accuracy, consistency, and reliability in imaging. J. A specially designed object that mimics human tissue properties used to test and adjust the imaging performance of ultrasound machines. K. Records kept by the ultrasound system, detailing operations, errors, and other events, useful for troubleshooting and maintenance. L. Scheduled maintenance or repair work carried out by certified technicians to ensure the machine operates optimally. M. Refers to deterioration in condition from regular use, wear, or harm caused by external forces, damage, affecting performance. N. The potential for contamination and spread of infectious agents due to improper cleaning and sterilization of medical devices. O. Instructions and standards provided by the maker of the ultrasound machine, covering its use, care, and maintenance.